Hello traders. Before we get into what we have for this video, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I'm taking a look at the AI Multitrend EA. From what I can see on the MQL5 marketplace, this EA is available for both MT4 and MT5. So I'll be treating it as a multi-platform system throughout this breakdown. It's developed by Mansour Babasafari, priced at 790 US dollars, and it's currently on version 1.5 with recent updates as of April 2025. Now, looking at the marketplace page, the positioning of this EA is quite clear. It's described as an AI powered trend following expert advisor. What immediately stands out to me is the emphasis on artificial intelligence combined with structured trend recognition. The developer claims it has been trained on a large data set of market trends with multiple feature inputs, which basically means it's trying to identify high probability directional moves rather than random entries. Another important point here is that it supports multiple major currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, AUD USD, USD CAD, and NZD USD. And it's designed to work across the M30, H1, H4, and D1 timeframes. So already I'm saying that this is not a scalping EA. It's built more for structured mid-term trend trading. Now, when I break down the features, I don't just look at what it does, I look at why it matters. And first of all, it uses a trend following AI model. And this is important because instead of trying to predict every market movement, it focuses on identifying directional bias. In strong trending markets, this kind of logic usually performs best. It also includes built-in stop loss and take profits on every trade, which is a key risk control mechanism. This tells me the system is not relying on dangerous recovery strategies like martingale or hedging, which is actually a positive sign for stability. Another interesting part is the capital management system. The EA claims to adapt to different account sizes, even low capital accounts around $100 minimum test balance. That flexibility is useful, but in real trading, execution quality will still matter heavily. I also noticed it mentions continuous learning, where the EA is supposedly updated with improved AI models over time. Now, in practical terms, that usually means strategy refinement through updates rather than through live learning on your account. So, overall, this EA is positioned as trend driven, risk controlled, multi pair capable, and non martingale and non hedging based. All right, so I have already downloaded the free demo, which we are going to be testing on the strategy tester. All right, and we are going to be running the EA on the Euro USD currency pair on the H1 time frame. The AI multi trend. Let's just head over to our MT5 right now. Euro USD H1 time frame. All right. So we are going to be running this test across a multi-month historical period starting from the beginning of the year, 1st January 2026, just to see how it behaves across different market conditions. I am using, one of the the supported pairs, and I've set it on the H1 time frame to observe a balanced mix between signal frequency and trend clarity. Now let's just watch how it performs in real time. Okay. Okay, we can see that the EA has already started executing trades on the strategy tester. I'm just going to pause it here. And if you look closely, you will see that the entry is not random. It comes after a clear directional move. After a clear directional move has started forming, for example, we can see the sell trade here and the exit of the sell trade around this point. And then we can see that once the trend started reversing, we had a buy trade here and an exit of that buy trade around this point. All right. And now we can see a sell trade being executed here. And we can also see that the EA has already set defined stop loss and take profit levels. So let's just continue. This suggests that this is not a martingale system, but more of a trend scaling approach where it adds exposure as the trend continues to confirm itself. That aligns with what the developer mentioned about trading in the direction of the trend using AI classification. All right, now this is where the logic becomes clearer. The EA is not just exiting trades randomly, it appears to be using a combined TP logic, possibly closing trades collectively once a target threshold is reached rather than individual micro exits. But we can also see that the EA sets stop loss and take profit levels. Meanwhile, during ranging conditions, entries become less frequent and performance becomes more inconsistent. This is actually expected for a trend based AI system like this. It's not designed to fight sideways markets, it's designed to wait them out. So we are just going to be skipping to the end of this backtest so that we can analyze the results together. We are just going to wait a few seconds now and the results will be out. Okay, so here we go. We can see that from an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars, the total net profit was negative 48.43. There were a total of 9 trades, and 4 trades were short, 50% win rate. The long trades were just 5, 40% win rate. All right, we had the largest profitable trade at $83.59 and the largest losing trade at $90.09. The average profit trade was $79 and the average losing trade was $72.89. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is not that good, perhaps around the levels of 1:1 for us to have this data here. So it tells me that the risk to reward is just around 1:1, give or take. Now, remember that these are historical simulated results and they should always be interpreted carefully. Performance varies depending on risk settings, lot size, configuration, broker execution speed, spread conditions, and market structure during the test period, amongst others. What I can say is that the EA shows its strongest behavior in clear trending markets, especially on, well, we might not know exactly the best time frame, but for this particular time frame that we use, we can see the results. I will recommend that you can test it across different time frames to see which time frame would probably give the best results, right? And it is also good if you can test it over a longer period of time and not just 4 months. Okay, so this is definitely not a set and forget guaranteed outcome type of system. It requires proper optimization and forward testing on a demo before live deployment. Overall, the AI Multitrend EA feels like a structured trend following system powered by AI based classification logic rather than a high frequency or aggressive recovery robot. So I think it's best suited for traders who prefer trend based strategies, controlled risk exposure, and medium term trading setups. But like any EA, its effectiveness will depend heavily on market conditions and how it is configured. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.